How to use your own voice in Suno. So what I want to do is click plus voice and then create voice, record or upload your voice. Now I can record it here, or I can record it in FL Studio and then upload it, but I don't think... If I wanted you and you wanted me, then why would you leave me all alone? I know well you know my whole... Sing a gentle melody under quiet ceiling lights. La 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 la. Let's just create. These lyrics are so terrible, man. AI could never write a song.
Empty streets again, another broken promise, flickering neon signs.
You and your flickering neon signs. So I guess that's how the AI thinks I sound. But what I really want is to download this song. This is a JPEG. So when I click the download button, it downloads the JPEG. Let's download MP3 audio. Download anyway. Let's just add it in FL Studio.
If I'm in love with you and you're in love with me, then why would you leave me all alone? I know well you know my whole world revolves around you. Don't even pretend you don't.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.